This YouTube short was uploaded only 4 days ago and it already has 1.5 million views. Now here is the crazy part. When you open the channel, you realize it was created just last month, yet it is already monetized with only 56 videos and is quickly approaching 6,000 subscribers. So what kind of content is getting this much traction? The entire channel is built around point-of-view animal videos, filmed with tiny micro cameras exploring underground tunnels. The videos feel like you are inside the world of insects and small animals. Because of how unique and immersive these videos look, they are spreading extremely fast. Other creators have already started copying the format, and some of these videos are now crossing tens of millions of views. In this video, I will show you exactly how to jump into this viral niche using a very simple workflow and completely free AI tools. To make things easier, I already prepared a master prompt that you can download from the link in the description, so you can follow this workflow much faster. Make sure you copy the entire master prompt carefully before moving to the next step. After copying the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste the master prompt into the chat box, and click Run. Once you do that, ChatGPT will automatically generate a list of 15 insects or small animals that you can use for your video idea. Take a moment to review the list and choose the animal or insect you want to feature in your video. For this example, we will create a video about ants, so simply type number 1 and click Run. As soon as you send the message, ChatGPT will generate 1 detailed base image prompt and 5 motion prompts for video creation. This is enough to produce a full YouTube short or Instagram reel. The image prompt will be used to generate the foundation frame for the video, while the motion prompts will guide the creation of the animated sequences that we will later stitch together to form the final video. Next, we will generate the base image that will serve as the starting frame of our video. For this step, we will use Gemini. Open Gemini, go to the Tools section, and select Create Image. Once you are there, copy the image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. When you click Generate, Gemini will use the Nano Banana image model, which is designed to produce very high quality and detailed images. Within a few seconds, your starting frame will be ready. Open the image preview, choose the version you like the most, and then download it to your device so we can use it in the next step of the workflow. Now that our base image is ready, we move to the next step, which is video generation. For this step, we will use Grok AI, which allows us to generate both images and videos completely free. Before generating the video, there is one important setting to adjust. Click on Account, go to Settings, then Open Behavior, and make sure Automatic Video Generation is turned off. This is important because it gives us full control of the generation process when we paste in our custom motion prompts. To begin creating the video, open Imagine from the left side menu in Grok AI, select Video, then upload the base image that we generated earlier. After uploading the image, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, so the video is optimized for vertical platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the first motion prompt that was generated earlier. Paste the prompt into Grok AI and click Generate. After a few moments, Grok will generate the first video clip. One great feature is that the video often includes ambient environmental sounds, which makes the clip feel more immersive. If you are satisfied with the result, click on the 3 dots on the video and select Upscale to improve the quality. Once the upscaling process finishes, you will see an HD label, which means the enhancement is complete. Now, go ahead and download the video to your device. Here comes the trick that allows us to extend the video while maintaining character and visual consistency. Open the downloaded video and move the playhead to the very last frame. Take a screenshot of this final frame, because we will use it as the starting point for the next video segment. Return to Grok AI and upload this screenshot as the new image input. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the next motion prompt, paste it into Grok AI, and generate the video again. Once the clip is created, upscale it and download it to your device. This method allows the AI to extend the video naturally from the previous frame, keeping the environment, camera perspective, and subject visually consistent. Repeat the same process for all the remaining motion prompts. Each time you generate a new segment, upscale the clip, download it, and capture the final frame to use as the starting frame for the next generation. This keeps every clip connected and creates a smooth, continuous sequence. By the time you finish all 5 prompts, you will have 5 upscaled point-of-view animal exploration video clips ready to be combined into your final short video. Now open any video editing software you are comfortable using. In my case, I will use CapCut. Create a new project and import all the video clips you generated. Once the clips are imported, drag them onto the timeline one by one, making sure they are placed in the correct order so the story flows naturally. Next, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 to ensure the video is properly optimized for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Since the clips were already generated with ambient sound, there is very little editing required. You can simply align the clips on the timeline and make sure the transitions between them look smooth. Once everything looks good, click Export. Within a few seconds, your final video will be ready. That is all for today's video. I hope you found this niche idea valuable. Make sure to like the video, share it with someone who wants to grow on YouTube, and subscribe to the channel. Also check the videos appearing on your screen where I reveal other viral niches you should explore right now.